Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons. And today I'm going to show you how to turn one expression into another. So I'll start with my trusty colored pencil. I'm going to start with a tall oval. And I'm going to make a nice smile, cute smile. All right, here are the eyes right here. Eyebrows up. A curved nose, like so. Nice mouth area. Bring it down for the chin. Bring the hair down. Bring it in front. Like that. You see that? It's a nice look. Nice look, right? Like that. But suppose we want to change it. Now, if you know how to change it, and I'm going to show you, you'll see that you don't have to change the whole drawing. You can just change the specific things that will give you that look. Like, I want her to look suspicious, okay? So I'm going to extend the eyelids like that. And darken them, and lower them. Extend them, darken them, and lower them. Now I'm going to bring one down and keep one up. Now instead of a nice smile, I'm going to make it a little lopsided. And I'm going to use this, darken it when I'm done so you get to see it better. I'm going to raise the mouth on this side, and that's because as the eyebrow goes down, the mouth goes up. Now I'm going to flatten the bottom, make it look like she's squinting a little. Second. Hard to erase these, but there you go. Now let's use this and go over it and see what we come up with. That's not a look you want to see from a friend. Notice how the eyes are half submerged under the upper eyelids. That's a suspicious expression. You also want to show the upper eyelids and bring them out like this. Bring those eyebrows down and bring this one up. Because as this pulls down, this pulls down. Now we can go ahead and finish the head just the way it was. The earring and some hair in the back to layer it. Now let's just add a little bit of color here. Upper lip, eyelids, some shadow. And there you go. There is a suspicious character. How to change one expression into another. I hope that helps. Thanks for joining me. I had fun, and I hope you did too. New videos every week. Please subscribe, and thank you.